Hi, why do people quit gym in a short period of time after joining? Why? Okay. Hi, this is Vivek Aditya, founder and coach of ShowFit. Okay. Now, please understand this. People want to get fit. That's one of the reasons. First of all, they inquire. Second of all, they join. But the truth is they quit in a short period of time. Many do it even as soon as the third day. Many of them do it as soon as the third day. The most of them hang on. Some more they hang on for about 2 weeks to 3 weeks. The fourth week, the story is over. They quit. That's the truth. That's the truth, universal truth around the world. Why is it happening? Why is it something wrong with the customer? Is there something wrong with the gym? Let's figure it out. Now, you as a person joining the gym or even inquiring shows that you want to do something about it. But sometimes from the inquiry itself, conversion doesn't happen. Conversion in the sense you don't join the particular place. Whether it could be online or offline, whatever the case may be, you want it, but you don't get the right vibes, and then what happens is you'll quit. You might even try a few other places, and then finally you'll say you'll drop this idea because it is so hard for you in the first place to start it. It was so hard for you to even start it. Now that you started it, you're not getting that feeling. It's so easy for you to quit. But let's say you joined a gym. You found out a lot of gyms around you, and then finalize one and you join. But even then, people quit. People quit. Why am I saying? I'm definitely saying people will quit. Reason, understand. Minimum. What I know is a normal gym is going to sign up at least about 1,500 to 2,000 customers a year. A year, 1,500 to 2,000 customers, they will definitely target. Okay, if all of them had to come back, if all of them had to work out every day, do you think the gym will have the space? I'll tell you what, the peak hours normally is going to be 6 to 8:30 in the mornings, and then again in the evening 6 to 8:39 in the evenings. So in this hour is where the majority of the crowd is going to come. At least you can say, definitely you can say about 60 to 70% are going to come. Do you think the gyms have the space? Do you think the customer is going to get the equipment to work around? Not going to happen. So why? The truth, I'm telling you, people quit. People quit. I'll give you an idea what happens. You join the gym for certain reason. It could be weight loss, fitness, bodybuilding, what are the cases? Yes, you've gone in there. You have joined. Now you want to do it. What's going to happen is, you want to approach a trainer and say that, listen boss, I have this goal, can you help me out? He will help you out for a couple of reasons, a couple of days he will do it. After that he will expect something in written because he has studied for it. He has worked for it. This is his life. This is his life. He needs to earn. He has to feed his family. But customer doesn't want to pay him. Doesn't want to pay him. For his services, they don't want to pay him. You will ask him. He will not train you. You don't want to pay him. He will not do it. Then what's going to happen? Lack of motivation, lack of results. The fact is, 3 weeks, 4th week, ouch. This is what is going to happen. I'm not going to blame you. I'm not going to blame the trainer. It's simple. You want results, but you want it at a much lesser cost, or probably you don't want to pay at all. Why? Because people for the health, you know what? They don't want to spend. They would rather spend on clothes and food and blah blah, but they don't want to spend on the health part of it. So the main reason that I would say that people lose it is because that motivation factor is not there coming from that person. You want to do it, but you know that health doesn't come in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days time. It goes on for a long period of time. Okay, till that period of time, you need somebody, but that somebody is going to come at a price. It's going to come at a price. That's the problem. So what you could do is you could inquire before you even join. You could inquire before you join. Okay, am I going to get the support? Ask if I'm going to get the support, what kind of support I'm going to get? Okay, if I'm going to get an extra support, how much is it going to cost? Okay, will you help me if I'm going to quit? These are the questions, these kind of questions you need to ask. If you don't ask these questions, it's not going to help you. Okay, how could you approach? Let me tell you. Today, every gym wants to enroll a new person every day. Not every day, probably every hour they would want to do. As many as they can do it, they would want to do that. So I would say that Start making some calls. Start making some calls. Okay, what happens is in the bargain, you will get somebody who's really excited, who will come after you. Somewhere you will gel. You will find that yes, this is the person for me. This is the person. You can strike a deal with this person. You can go about it, right? So I'm just giving you an idea about it because they're going to come after you. The minute you leave a number, they're going to come after you. You can either say no to them, or you can put a pause, or you can plan out. Okay, you will find. You need to find. You are going to find it, right? So I wish you all the best. Okay, it is possible, but equipments are available, the plans are available everywhere. You just have to go into YouTube. You'll get everything, but you need that motivation to one, to go, second, to perform. Okay, third, to even go back the next day. You need this motivation coming in, and you can't expect you're great that the motivation is going to come from you. We are humans, we'll fall apart. It happens to me itself. Even though I'm a trainer, it happens to me. So don't trust yourself that you're going to be motivated all day throughout the year. No, that's not going to. You need somebody. Find this person. You are on your way. Right? All the best. Okay. I hope this video was helpful. If this was helpful, please share it with other people as such so that it could help them as well. Right? See you soon.